everybody, Leigh Goldstein here, Trading Director at 10-Minute Trades. I want you to see this week's Trade of the Week. It was very nerve-wracking, and it's one of the most volatile and interesting trades that we take every month or so. They come 8 times a year, not quite monthly. So let me show you this week's Trade of the Week. Well, the FOMC statement is always one of the most exciting and nerve-wracking trades that we take. And I want to show you that we had a great setup using the NQ DMM. We had an 80-tick bracket. Imagine that, an 80-tick bracket, and we were looking for 100 ticks in our target. And you can see the news comes out, it's after 2, gold shoots up, the NQ is not doing much of anything, and then it takes about another 12, 13 seconds. I know that I was thinking, I was getting a little bit concerned that maybe it was going to change direction and just chop around, and then 21 seconds after the news, it starts to shoot up, hits my 100-tick target, explodes probably 175 ticks, and becomes an easy winner, a nice, sweet, quick $500. Absolutely our trade of the week. Slow moving, I don't even have to show it to you again. Let me show you the traditional winning screenshot. A quick and easy $500, just 26 seconds. Now, one very interesting thing about this trade was we were concerned that we didn't have a large enough account to trade the NQ because our broker was raising the margin to about $16,000 per contract. For whatever reason, we still decided to take the trade because we knew that last month we traded the full-size NQ as well. And the margin issue did not come into play. A quick and easy $500 FOMC statement as they raised 25 basis points. And that, my friends, is this week's Trade of the Week. I'll be looking forward to you in the trade room next week. See you all very soon. Take care, everyone.